Organizers of upcoming gospel festival 658 Fest is happy that the event will be able to go on over the holiday weekend. The launch was held on Tuesday and saw organizers making a slight time adjustment, but mainly showcasing a first-rated COVID-19 protocol-driven layout. Executive Director of 658 Fest, Chris Johnson, tells us more.
You expect to experience the best COVID protocols known in Jamaica. Tonight we shared what the layout was going to be like. It is on elevated decks, and you will be in a secluded area. Everybody will be in a 10 by 10 area, 6 persons per 10 by 10 space. Why? Because you can control the environment when you're in there.
I want to commend the sector for being so cooperative, because once we realized that the restrictions had to be put in place, and there wasn't one event organizer that objected.
I'm Deidre reporting for ePrime.